A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. สวัสดีค่ะ Hi. Wow, I'm missing this like atmosphere. Thank you very much. Maybe if some of you have joined us like 2 years ago, is that anyone have joined us like 2 years ago with the activities like this? You? Okay. Woo, woo. Okay, so it's me, but a little change. But okay, so right here on the stage, we'd like to give you an officially welcome to our event today, ladies and gentlemen. So on behalf of the SPE Thailand Board of Director and Pan Patarathon Pokin, it's my great pleasure and honor to be here as your host for today's event. We'd like to welcome you all to our event today of the SPE Thailand season opening of the year 2024 and the year 2025 and the SPE Thailand ENP Award Announcement Dinner. So this evening we are honored to have the VIP speakers and we recognize with the winner of our ENP competition as well, which SPE Thailand held like earlier this year. Thank you for being right here tonight. Thank you for taking your time off the busy schedule for joining us right here tonight. And we're happy to see you all gather right here with many oil and service companies, government representatives, and the academia from the upstream oil and gas industry supporting this season's opening award dinner. So also a special welcome to our students. Where are our students? Where are you? The students. Okay, they're right there. Hi. There's only one table over there, right? Okay, so the students right here with the special event. So here we have the support of three nominated students from each student's chapters out of Bangkok. That is from Songkhla, Chiang Mai, and Nakhon Ratchasima here that joining us. Thank you very much for joining us today. So let's give a big round of applause for them because they're out from Bangkok, but now we're here in Bangkok, so that's mean they're make a direct flight to join us here in this evening. And tonight's event, we have to show you how our industry continue to create and innovate to meet our future energy needs. And the industry here in Thailand is unique, and quite a few new ideas were developed and tasted here in Thailand by several oil and service companies. And that is something we all should be proud of because tonight we will have two highlight with a talk from the president and the managing director of Chevron Thailand Exploration and Product Limited, followed by our ENP award ceremony to acknowledge the oil and gas industry and the teams that will share their outstanding initiative and performance through our SPE Thailand ENP award competition. All right, so it's going to be something up here on the screen. I move here. Also, keep in mind that the SPE Thailand section has been active here for over 44 years and maintain a solid membership base, good relation with all stakeholders in our industry, and have always provide sound annual sponsorship and support. And this support has enabled the section to focus on the value of the member, students member, and guests with monthly technical meetings, young professional activities like the YP presentation contest, and also providing annual student scholarships since 1985. Last year, SPE Thailand provide 15 student scholarship for a total of 190,000. Please give a big round of applause. That's it. And the SPE Asia Pacific even recognized that the Thailand section is consistently the most active section in the region. But before we continue with our official program, so please take note of this safety announcement, but there are no emergency drills plans for tonight. So in case of the alarms goes off, so please remain calm and look of the nearest emergency exits. Yes, at your right hand side and your left hand side over here. And our staff will lead you to the assembly point outside. And also if you observe any suspicious activity, so please do not hesitate to report it to our staff for everyone's safety concern. Thank you very much. And next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give you an info a little bit that the global mission of the SPE is to gather information and make new knowledge available to you. And the SPE vision is to support the future energy needs of every countries. And SPE Thailand support this by organizing monthly industry receptions, followed by a technical presentation, and our oil and service company support this by providing us the annual sponsorship. And it is always a challenge to chase all our sponsor, but this year, as you can see right here on the screen, we were able to get 51 companies, namely, all right, so it's going to be the following name: AMT, AOS Offshore, Autoshare, Avania, Baker Hughes, Bangchak, Black Bear, Bluefin, Boat Drilling, Chevron, R3, CUEL. Right? Okay, maybe you can like have a little voice or you can shout to congrats and thank you very much. And next is MMSVS, NES, Oil State, OPSOES, Palang Sopon, Panoran, PAPS, Production Solution, PTTEP, Reach, Rototech, Scientific Drilling, COW, and Silica Hill, SLB, TNS, Thailand, TTS, TOS, and Tiliga Gibbons, UAC, UAL, Velula Energy, Winaco, Waterford, Work Strings, and Department of Mineral Fuels, or DMF. Please give a big round of applause once again. Thank you. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you so much. Wow. So this year we can gather like a lot of companies that can join us to support with the special activities. And next, please keep in mind that all of this stuff is happening due with a lot of hard work behind the scene by our volunteering board members. And we have a total 16 volunteers. And I would like to raise your hand when I call your name. And we will give a big round of applause for them. Thank you very much. First is our chairman, Khun. Second, our secretary and ENP award chair, Khun Anupong. And next, our treasurer, Khun Nikon. Our program chair, Khun Kasian. Oh, he's here. Our vice program chair and ENP award chair, Khun Panit Ka. Oh, he's right there. Our membership chair, Dr. Trinka. He's right there. Oh, the name is on the screen. Our vice chairman, Dr. Yingyot Ka. Our university liaison, Dr. Jirawat Ka. Okay. Our social activities chair, Kun Tri Thaset Ka. Oh, he's right there. Our YP chair, Kun Pattanan. Our industry liaison, Kun Suchintana. Vice industry liaison, Kun Wat Lai Wat Ka. Vice program chair, Kun Xia. Our marketing chair, Kun Ratmani. Yes. Our internet chair, Kun Petka. And our internet vice chair, Kun Nipatsin Ka. And of course, we couldn't do without the support from Kun Kip, Kun Fang, Kun Yipun, Kun E, Kun Annie for their supporting handling our registration. And please give a big round of applause for them. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so tonight we will kick off our schedule right here on the stage with our honored guest speakers, and we will serve you with a delicious meal to provide some sustenance, followed by our award ceremony where we will announce the winner of our SPE Thailand ENP Project Award competition. We also have a lucky draw as well, so please join us at the till the end of the events of tonight right here. So please do not forget to fill your name on the lucky draw card or the lucky draw ticket that already on your table. You can fill it and you can pass it to our staff to get a chance to win our prize for tonight. And to kick off the evening, ladies and gentlemen, we honor our SPE Thailand program chair. So please give a big round of applause to welcome Mr. Kasian Ka.
Wow. สวัสดีครับ Hey, good morning. Not good morning, good evening. Sorry. I'm so excited. So my name is Kasian. I'm the SPE program chair. Along with me is Khun Jia and Khun Panit. Also, Khun Jia is from the Expro and Khun Panit is from PTTP. Okay. So my job is actually going to be very easy. My job is to give an introduction of someone who you already know. So before I do that, let me give you a quick brief of the SPE Thailand program. Okay. So SPE Thailand seasons start from September of each year to August of the following year. Don't ask me why, I don't know. It's quite strange. But anyway, so every seasons we arrange 10 meetings. Okay. So the money that all the sponsors, most of you are sitting in the front row table here. Thank you very much. Um, Giving us the money so we can organize the meetings in a professional environment and giving you new knowledge. Okay. So a quick recap of last season's 10 meeting. I will not read all to you. It's very small. I also cannot see, but take notes. The first one, which is September last year, is a season opening together with the awards, Young Professional Presentation Awards. Okay. And then we have several meetings. We have a joint meeting between SPE and CPEX. We have the monthly technical meetings from the analyst. Then we have the some talk about the productions technique that deployed in Thailand by Chevron. Then something about detecting methane and how you quantify the methane, which is something about greenhouse gas by SIGOPS. Then a joint meeting with AIPN, something about the legal parts, right? And then distinguished lecturer, we have the distinguished lecturer coming from Saudi all the way to speak here. Okay, then the major one, Dr. Supalak, about artists, about the CCS development in Thailand. Dr. Supalak also here in the room with us.ครับ. And of course, many meetings. So what I'm telling you here is that these meetings will try to organize and make sure that it address all the interests of everyone who joining. So please continue to support us, the sponsors, and to all of you, if you think that you have a good topics that you would like to share with the industry, please let me know. Please let any of the board know. We are looking for hearing something new from you. So at the moment, our program is filled up to June of next year. Okay, so not so far ahead. All right. Without further ado, let me do my job now. Okay. So the keynote speaker tonight is the President and Managing Director of Chevron Thailand Explorations and Production Limited, a position he assumed in May 2021. As President, he is responsible for upstream operations in Thailand. The speaker brings extensive international upstream to the role, with his 30 years career and experience in operations engineering in various locations around the world, including the United Kingdom and United States. He started his career in Chevron in 2002 as petroleum engineer. He had held numbers of subsurface leadership positions. In 2011, he served as deputy asset manager of Platong. In 2013, he served as asset manager of Pailin. In 2016, he became general manager of asset development before he was assigned to work as general manager of operation in 2018, where he maintained his role until April 2021. The speaker received his bachelor degree in petroleum engineering from Chulalongkorn University, Bangkok in 1994 and master degree in business administrations from the same university in 2003. He also contributed to SPE Thailand and had previously served a committee member and judge for the ENP award program in the past. Sponsors, SPE member, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome the speaker, Khun Chatit Huayhongong ครับ President of Chevron Thailand.
Good evening. สวัสดีครับ I'm so excited tonight. A lot of people. I'm so glad that you all coming to the event tonight. First of all, before I start, I would like to also introduce myself a little bit. Not what Khun Kasien has already introduced me, but I would like to tell you that my background is actually petroleum engineering. I graduated from Chulalongkorn University in 1994. And tonight I see a lot of SPE student chapters attendees. So would like to take this opportunity to welcome all the students. Thanks very much for coming to join us tonight. I recall when I was a student at the university, I also doing this exactly the same job that you were doing, selling products and trying to get the fund to support our activities. So good job. So as I'm working for an oil and gas company, I consider all of you my customer. And because you all are energy consumer, you all use energy every day. And I believe Chevron has a role to ensure that we provide you with safe, reliable, affordable, and ever cleaner energy. I think this is what you want. It is our challenge how we can do that, right? So my presentation tonight, I'm going to talk about those challenges in terms of the energy trilemma. I think most of you know what it is. But more importantly, I would like to stress about activities or strategy from Chevron that we would like to do in order to address those challenges and ultimately provide you with those safe, reliable, affordable, and ever cleaner energy, and to support the Kingdom of Thailand. So I'm going to talk about, I will start off with providing you with some high-level overview on the energy demand, the global energy demand. And then I will zoom in to talk about what about Thailand? What is happening in Thailand? And then start to discuss about our roles as an oil and gas company who operate in Thailand for many years, what we need to do to help the Kingdom of Thailand to address all the energy challenges. So that will be my talk tonight. I hope it will be interesting. You might have seen this news. The question is, what is going to happen in the next decades? What will happen to our energy business? So reading from this เตรียมตัวค่าไฟขึ้นอีก28 เท่า The electricity price is going to increase 28 times right you see เลิกรถใช้น้ำมัน are we going to be stop using all the engine car are we going to be converting to all the electric car are we going to throw out all the engine car what will happen to the economy of Thailand are we going to be growing economy or is the economy is going to downgrade a lot of people lost their job ตกงานนะครับพันกว่าคน what is going to happen in the next decades I think this is all the question that is related to energy and impact our industry okay so this is what we try to address tonight so I pull out this information from the World Energy Organization they predict that energy demand is going to continue to increase even in the next several decades. And you can see from the graph that the demand for oil and gas is going to continue. And even in 2040, they expect that oil and gas will be about 50% of the total global energy demand. This is interesting, right? So that means that as the global economy continue to grow, the world will continue to need more and more energy. And even though we are trying to, transition into the using more of the renewable energy, but oil and gas still continue to be very important. That's the global demand. What happened in Thailand then? Okay, I don't know, so I have to find out. So what I did was I pulled out the information from the recent 2024 Power Development Plan. And this graphic is showing the energy demand for Thailand, which showing that over the next decades, as Thailand economy grows, we expect that the country will need more and more energy. And you see from the graph, this PDP expect that the fossil fuel will continue. However, it will gradually decline. The need for fossil fuel will gradually decline. And the need for renewable energy will grow significantly. Okay? So I didn't make up the information. This is from the recent PDP. So it's from the Minister of Energy. So Dr. Suparak you support this, right? This graph, however, is based on certain assumption. And I think one of the key assumption that you not see on this graph is the cost of the energy. This graph assumes that the cost of the renewable energy must be very competitive. And the renewable energy must attract user, consumer like yourself to use more and more renewable energy and use less and less fossil fuel. I think that's the big assumption. And it's really depend on, whether or not the technology is going to evolve until the cost of renewable energy is very competitive compared to the cost of oil and gas. So I pull out this information as well from the PDP 2024. This is the information about the natural gas supply and demand for Thailand. And we know we consider natural gas as a cleanest fossil fuel. This is the transition fuel. Okay, before we can move from oil, coal, and oil into the renewable energy, we will continue to use natural gas, which considered cleaner than most of the fossil fuel that we have. In the PDP, it is forecast that Thailand natural gas supply will continue to be stable. Okay, our demand will continue to be stable. But what is interesting from this graph is that we see in the red bar, which show the domestic gas supply is going to continue to decline. Okay, we will have gas from Myanmar that we will continue to rely on, which is going to be quite stable. We will have LNG, contracted LNG, that we need to bring in additional LNG to support the country gas demand. And with all those combined together, you can see that those certain sources of natural gas will continue to grow. The big question is then how can we fill the supply in order to match the demand? That means we have to be able to find additional source of natural gas, okay, which is the the orange bar and the yellow bar at the top. And I think there's still a lot of uncertainty with this. Where is those gas going to come from? And more importantly, what is it going to cost? Is it going to cause the price to increase so much that we cannot afford anymore? So I can see that a lot of assumption is put into this forecast. And basically, the key message is I think we're going to continue to rely on more and more imported gas, imported LNG. If we cannot find new gas source and let the domestic gas to continue to decline. This is very challenging. It's the problem for all of us that we have to address. And I know Chevron has a role to help. Okay, so I'm going to switch gear now to talk about the energy trilemma. I think most of you have seen this graphic before. Energy trilemma has 3 dimensions. First is about energy security. It's about our ability to access reliable source of energy supply. If we have a lot of supply in the country, then security is going to be very high. Next one is energy equity, which is the ability to access affordable, fair price energy. Okay, if we have that, if we have ability to access fair price and affordable energy, this is going to be very high. And then the last but not least dimension is about sustainability. This is the ability for the nation to mitigate the environmental and climate change impact. Okay, so I'm going to talk about each of these dimensions, talk about the challenges that we face as a nation, and then also talk about roles of Chevron as an energy company on how we can help the Kingdom of Thailand to address these challenges. This is an assessment that was done by the World Energy Council, based in London. Is the independent company who did this type of assessment every year to look at the score in each dimension of the energy trilemma. And this is the data from 2023, last year. Okay, they did the assessment for Thailand. The score for Thailand, overall score, we are number 60 out of the total 126 nations. We are number 60. And comparing to the country in Asia, we are number 14 out of the 23 country in Asia. And you can see that the score on energy equity, which is the price, about our ability to access affordable price energy, is actually quite high, 71%. Not bad. But our score is low on environmental sustainability. We are still not using a lot of renewable energy or clean energy. And also our score on energy security is still pretty low, 55, because Thailand is a net energy import country. We are relying on imported energy in order to supply all the need in Thailand. This is the overall score. We are number 60 out of the 126 country. You know which country is number one? If you can guess correctly, you can get 500 baht from me. Anyone want to try? The student? Which is the country that get the most score in the energy trilemma? Anyone want to try? Saudi? No, not correct. Norway? Not correct. Sweden? Not correct. Germany? Not correct. Huh? Switzerland? Not correct. Thailand? that's not correct. Huh?
Hello, Bhutan.
Bhutan? No. Finland? No. Sweden? No. Who said Denmark? Who said Denmark? You get 500 baht. Okay. Oh, that's Chevron table. Okay. Oh, this is not prepared. Okay. This is not prepared. I didn't expect that they will be able to guess Denmark get the highest score, because the country is, I think, petroleum rich, not relying on additional source. They have use a lot of renewable energy in the country as well. Okay. So let's talk about energy security. Okay, first dimension, our ability to access reliable energy. And so on this dimension, you can see that, our score is quite low, yeah, for Thailand. And Chevron I think Chevron has a role to help Thailand to address energy security challenge. We have been in Thailand for about 6 decades now. Okay. And so far, Chevron has drilled 8,300 wells in the Gulf of Thailand. And if you connect the length of all of these wells together, you can go from Bangkok to Houston, and then Houston back to Bangkok again. That's the length of the wells that we drill in the Gulf of Thailand. We have contributed to about $47 billion of investment in Thailand, create jobs, improve the economy of Thailand. Today, we are operating 3 blocks, Blocks 832, Benjamin's block, which is mainly the oil asset. We have Block 1227, mainly gas. This is Pilin and not Pilin block. And then we have the newly awarded PSC block called G265. These are the 3 blocks that we have. The total acreage for these blocks is 24,000 square kilometers, which is about 15 times the size of Bangkok. Currently, we have 600 employees running our business. Most of them, almost 100%, are Thai. We are very proud to be able to support the Kingdom of Thailand to provide reliable and affordable and cleaner energy to the kingdom. So let's see what we are doing then. I would like to first talk about the new blocks that we have just been awarded thanks to the DMF for give us the opportunity to conduct the exploration activity in this block. This block was awarded to us in 2023. And just last month, we have completed the seismic survey in this block 15 months after the award, which is very fast, I think. And this is something that we done in order to try to accelerate first gas or first oil. We have already completed the seismic survey. The next is to interpret the seismic, which we think will take about another year. And then the plan to drill some exploration well in year 2026. And then basis on the exploration drilling result, then create the development plan. And then hopefully we can get the first oil by first oil or first gas by 2029. I think developing the new acreage like this is going to help Thailand to be able to provide additional source of energy supply to the kingdom. Okay, so this is very important. Not only that, one significant milestone that we would like to see is the resolution between Thailand and Cambodia in order for the joint development in the Thailand-Cambodia overlapping claim area. And you can see from this map, I have mapped out the existing oil and gas field in Thailand, in the Gulf of Thailand. Those are the field that you see starting from the north, the Benjamas in the north, and then go down to the south, which include Chatit and Bongkot, that PTTEP is the operator. And you see the area on the east, which highlight the overlapping claim area that we are talking about. And you can see size of that area. Chevron do have working interest in most of these blocks. And some of this we are the operator, and some of this we are an NOJV partner. So this is an opportunity that I think will be very important for the Kingdom of Thailand to address our energy security challenge. If we can unlock the joint development opportunity for this area, we can create a lot of economic growth, create a lot of jobs, and help the country to have a more long-term reliable gas supply for decades to come. Next, on the energy equity, this is about energy price, and I think we have a role as well. Even as an oil and gas operator, in order to be able to sell our product at the affordable price, I think we have to control our costs. Even its unit development costs, unit operating costs, what we can do in order to help reduce the cost will also benefit customer like yourself. So what we are doing then? I think you might have heard about factory model. We try to, the 8,000 wells that we drill was drilled using the factory model, which means, we try to first optimize our portfolio, select the best projects in our portfolio for investment, and then use the standardization of workflows and equipment, platforms, pipelines, wells, using standard design in order to gain economy of scale and efficiency. And then look for opportunities to continue to improve. We have a program called competitive performance programs within our company, where employees and contractors can bring in additional ideas that will help us to improve safety, efficiency, and cost. And we use those ideas in order to find opportunities to continue to improve our operation. And that makes significant impact. So well factory model is very important. It's the core of our operation on how we can continue to reduce costs and keep our operating and development costs low in order for us to be able to sell affordable product to our customer. There's some challenge. You can see from this graph, this is the reserve per wells. For each well we drill, we also track how much reserve we can recover. And you can see over time, our reserve has been declining. And this is very challenging, which means the projects are less and less economic. So with this, seeing this, it will continue to decline, which means we have to change the way we do things. We have to implement new technologies, new technique, and look for new ways of doing things in order to even keep our costs lower than before. And I know this is very important, and Chevron cannot do this alone. So I would like to first thank our business partners, for all the innovation, all the technologies and support and collaboration that you have been provided to Chevron over the past decades in order for us to continue to improve our costs and then continue to find economic development programs. But we need to continue to do this in order to find new development projects. On the facility side, I was talking about subsurface. On the surface side, our facility is now designed to think about all the operating cycle, starting from design. We have to design our facility so that it can be reused. Okay, and if we can reuse our facility, it will help to reduce the development costs. Okay, we have to integrate low emission model into the design of our facility. This year we have a pilot project installing the wind turbine on our remote wellhead platform in order to provide reliable energy to support the operation on the platform. And we have to continue to look for new technologies to do something like that. On the how we construct our platform, we are now trying to be using fit for purpose construction programs, looking for materials that is not over spec, and then make sure that they are fit for purpose. On the operate and maintain, we have been implementing what we call the integrated operation control center. This is the control center that we can use to operate platforms and CPP in the Gulf of Thailand. This IOC is situated in Bangkok office. We are now remotely control our operation, offshore operation from Bangkok office. And not only that, we integrate the workflow between surface and subsurface, maintenance and operation, logistics, in order to look for opportunities to improve the way we run our operation. And with the integrated operation control center that we have, we are able to keep our cost low, improve efficiency, and also improve safety as well. On the decommissioning side, Chevron Thailand has kicked off a major decommissioning industry in Thailand, I believe. We have a lot of decommissioning activities ongoing at the moment, working with many business partners, to try to do that. And I believe that once we can make the asset retirement another factory model, we can be even more efficient. And not only that, we can also create a new industry in Thailand as well, creating more jobs, improve economy for the Kingdom of Thailand. And many of our platforms that we cannot use anymore is currently being reused, reinstalled, in order to support the new development programs. Last but not least, I would like to talk about this challenge, which is become more and more important, is around the energy sustainability. How can we transition ourselves into more cleaner energy? Chevron believes that our strategy is clear, which is to leverage our strengths to safely deliver lower carbon energy to a growing world. With that, we believe that Thailand and the world is going to continue to need oil and gas, but we will need cleaner oil and gas, which means we have to focus on our existing operation to try to reduce greenhouse gas emission intensity from existing operation, as well as to growing a new business like renewable energy, CCUS, hydrogen, carbon offset, and so on. Those are the new opportunity that I think we have to do. And it is important as well that we work, with all of you, with the business partners, with the government, to try to bring or create those new industry into Thailand, new business into Thailand. Over the last couple of years, we have been on a lower carbon journey to try to reduce greenhouse gas emission intensity from our operation. We track where we emit greenhouse gas, CO2 gas from our operation. We know where are those source of greenhouse gas emission in our operation. And we are taking actions in order to reduce greenhouse gas emission intensity, focusing on improving energy efficiency, as well as to reduce fuel and flare, upgrade our equipment and system in order to reduce greenhouse gas emission. And we have been very successful. I'm proud that our organization now able to reduce 15% of greenhouse gas emission intensity compared to 2 years ago. This is my last slide. You can see that the industry is facing a big challenge, in order to balance all the dimension of the energy trilemma. And in order to provide safe, reliable, affordable, and cleaner energy to the Kingdom of Thailand, Chevron cannot do this alone. We need support. And we need support from all of you, from our business partners, from joint venture partners, from government sectors, and everyone. I think we have a role together in order to address this challenge for the kingdom of Thailand and for our younger generation. Thanks very much.
Very much ขอบคุณค่ะคุณชาติ and now it's time we're open the floor for is that anyone have any questions so right here Khun Chatit still remain on the stage so you can raise your hand and our staff will over the mic to you is that anyone have any questions
Yes คุณมนตรี
please
ครับ
oh Khun Montri please raise your hand please sir
Thank you. Thank you. Khun Chatit, I very much appreciate what you delivered to us. And I'm glad to hear that, you're looking at the energy security to Thailand is at top of the agenda. I like to say something, that we as working together. Before I come up, someone say competitor. We are not competitor. We business partners.
We business partner ครับ
And we work together for the sake of the energy security of Thailand. Just looking at, as I mentioned a couple of years ago, that the energy, that we need, every BTU counts. My question to you, you don't have the answer today, I know that. How would I be certain what are you saying is the same thing that coming from your corporate office?
Okay
Because what I see is totally different.
yeah
We're looking at here at energy security. Your corporate office looking at commercial aspect.
okay
I hate to be in your shoes, to be honest. But that's the message I like to
Yeah.
deliver. Yes.
Okay. No. Well, I think in order to address all these challenges, Khun Montri, to look for new opportunities for development, such as G265, Thailand, Cambodia overlapping claim area. One dimension that I did not mention is the commercial aspect, which is important. And I think what Thailand needs to do is to bring in commercial framework that would attract investment not only for Chevron, but the more we have the ability to attract domestic and international investment is going to benefit the Kingdom of Thailand. So that's why I said, this is maybe something Chevron cannot do, but the government can help. And I think this is an area that I think we can collaborate better on how we can do that.
thank you very much ขอบคุณค่ะ is there any other question No question. Okay. Thank you very much. Please give a big round of applause once again to Khun
ขอบคุณครับ
Chatit.
Thank
And
you.
please remain on the stage. Well, I would like to invite Khun Kasianค่ะ Please, our SPE Thailand program chair. So please proceed on the stage to present a token of appreciation on behalf of the SPE Thailand Board of Directors. And thank you very much, Khun Chatitค่ะ Thank you. Please give a big round of applause once again. Thank you for sharing those fantastic presentations. Thank you. Right, let's take a picture. Okay, thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you, Khun Chatit, and thank you, Khun Kasian, so much. So right now we're going to take a break for a moment, ladies and gentlemen, to let you enjoy the dinner, and we'll be right back with the award ceremony and the lucky draw as well. So please enjoy your dinner. Thank you. I can cover up knowledge, which are project management, legal management, the operation. I think it's very useful and definitely can apply to the future. And there are also develop skill and analytical thinking, which are important skill for engineer. And I also gained about gas and oil industry. It is very interesting and joyful. So that Thailand history is our memory. In this event from SPE PC, I gain a lot of knowledge to use in my future career on oil and gas industry. All right. Welcome back to the stage, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed dinner. And right here, we're going to start with the award ceremony. And for your background information, we are trying to make the award selection process as fair as possible. So we have an official set of the award criteria as well as a mix of competition judges out of the 12 submitted projects, 5 finalists have been selected with one honorable HSE award and only one ENP award winner. This selection process is run by our volunteering judges representing the oil and service company, academia, and our government. So before we make any announcement on the winner, we also think that our judges deserve a token of appreciation for their committed time. Right here on the stage, I would like to invite Khun Panit, Thailand SPE Thailand ENP Award Chairperson, to provide our judges a small token of appreciation. So please welcome Khun Panit, SPE Thailand ENP Award Chairperson. So, thank you very much, our judges. First, thank you, Dr. Falan C. Suryashai from Chulalongkorn University. Please proceed on the stage. Yay! Thank you. Here, you can take the front stairs. Thank you very much. Let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. And next, thank you very much, Dr. Trin Intarapprasong from Department of Mineral Fuels. Thanks. Thank you very much. Take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Dr. Trin ka. And next, Khun Rewat Wattana Suwatkon from Halliburton. Thanks. Thank you very much for your committed time. Thank you. And next, please, Khun Willie Abadi from Medco Energy. Thank you for your committed time. Let's take a picture. All right, and next, thank you very much, Khun Supakan Tatnatit from PTTEP. Thank you so much. Thank you for your dedication. Thank you. And we'll take a big group photo together once again. And I would like to say thank you to another 3 judge who is not available to attend to our award announcement tonight. All right, so let's take a big group photo together. เชิญค่ะเดี๋ยวขอถ่ายภาพรวมร่วมกันนะคะเดี๋ยวเชิญตรงกลางเลยค่ะ Our 3 judge who is not available first is Khun Surat Thurachen from Chevron. And second is Khun Thiranan Limniyomkun from Walula Energy. And Khun Shayashan from SLB. Thank you very much for your committed time, but it's okay. Okay, thumbs up. And after this, we're going to hear who's going to be the winner. Thank you very much. Please give a big round of applause once again for our judges. Thank you. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ และขอขอบคุณคุณพนิชด้วยนะคะ Thank you คุณพนิช as well. So next is time that we all are waiting for. The prestigious ENP Award Trophy will be given to the project which has the highest recognition in all categories. The first category is innovation for a project which demonstrate the use of new technology and or new approach to solve a problem. The second category is a business impact for a project which has significant impact impact on increasing production, enhancing recovery, or cost saving, and has set new industrial standards and best practices. And the third category is the overall quality for writing style, professional content, and sustainability. But first, before we're going to announce the winner, let's have a look at the presentation of our 5 finalists together. Please give a big round of applause for the presentation.
In a time when environmental protection and community safety are priorities, and aging facilities need to meet stringent operational targets, we need an intensive program to address these challenges. Introducing advancing corrosion control by adopting an ecosystem approach through collaboration across 8 departments. We're integrating digital transformation with our in-house application, the Asset Integrity Management System, or AIMS, and scale up the success to our overseas assets.
Traditional cleaning methods like acid submersion, mechanical abrasion, and high-pressure water jetting are time-consuming, labor-intensive, and generate hazardous waste. They're also costly and potentially risky to workers and the environment.
To overcome these challenges, Chevron partnered with INSEE EcoCycle to deploy the electromotive process in Thailand. This method uses low voltage direct current and an electrolyte solution rapidly and safely remove corrosion and scale from metal assets, making them suitable for recycling or reuse.
The electromotive process offers many advantages over conventional cleaning methods. It allows us to treat pipeline water in less time, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Additionally, it produces significantly less liquid waste, minimizing our environmental impact and reducing risk to our workers.
Together, the team has created a novel and sustainable solution to clean retired assets that could benefit the oil and gas industry, the environment, and society, both in Thailand and worldwide.
The subsea robotics ecosystem encompasses a diverse array of unmanned vehicles, including the Explorer autonomous underwater vehicles, the X-Gateway autonomous surface vehicles, and X-Docker AUV docking stations, collaborating seamlessly to conduct subsea inspection, repair, and maintenance as well as offshore operational activities such as pipeline inspections, seabed surveys, and security patrols. These vehicles are interconnected via satellite internet, enabling asset owners to remotely control them from anywhere, The end goal of this project are to make all vehicles and ecosystem work in a residential mode by allowing humans operator control from anywhere in the world via cloud-based platforms and simultaneous operation of multi-mission. Therefore, the frequency and duration of using large support vessels will be decreased significantly. Moreover, the inspection campaign will be transformed to 24/7 inspection service. As a result, impacts on EP industry will be reduction of people on board, CO2 emissions, and operation cost, allow on-demand response, and complete mission faster.
Welcome. Let's explore an integrated approach to managing upstream emissions through the life cycle of a facility. In the design phase, we incorporate energy-efficient features, passive design principles, and sustainable materials. Life cycle assessment helps evaluate environmental impacts, while circular economy principles ensure designs minimize waste. During construction, we select low-carbon materials and optimize processes to reduce emission. This phase is crucial for setting the foundation for sustainability. In the operational phase, energy management and behavioral shifts are key. We conduct energy audits, educate occupants on conservation, and promote recycling to minimize waste. Regular inspections and predictive maintenance ensure equipment efficiency. We also use eco-friendly cleaning products to maintain a green environment. Finally, in the decommissioning phase, we prioritize salvage and recycling. Topside reuse significantly helps reducing emissions from disposal and building a new facilities. By integrating lower carbon strategies at each stage, we can achieve our sustainability goals. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to the presentation of the world's first deployment of Nautilus, subsea IRM robot in the Gulf of Thailand. Nautilus provides a diverless operation and DNV certified pipeline repair solution. Here are some benefits of Nautilus, such as no more pipeline clamps requires, only DP2 vessel requires, up to 1,000 meters depth. Nautilus creates controlled environment. Nautilus can remove pipeline coating and provides high-resolution NDT scan, then restate the pipeline condition. Continue with the pipeline repair by applying the patch and composite wrapping. The whole process completed within 2.5 days. From this operation, Nautilus saves over 30% cost and time, zero waste, and no diver involved.
Here is all the finalists presentation, such an excellent one. And for those who haven't got on the top 5, so I would like to say thank you for your idea, for your initiatives, and your knowledge that you're sharing with us. So please don't give up because you still have a chance for the next 2 years, 2 years time. So another chance to win this award. And let's see who's going to win and be the ultimate winner for tonight. But I would like all of you to see what they're going to take back home tonight. That is a trophy with this beautiful lady that's going to show us on the stage. So let's have a closer look on how elegance of this SPE Thailand ENP trophy on the stage. The first one is the HSE Honorable Award Trophy. Let's have a look. Wow. I love her presentation. Oh, so professional. Oh, nice. And next is the Best Project Award or the trophy for the winner of ENP Award. So different. Okay, let's have a little sound check. Oh, Project One, where are you? Project One. Oh, not too loud, but let's have a little sound check with Project Two. Louder. And Project Three. Oh, so weird. Project Four. And lastly, Project 5. That's nice. But please allow me to invite first Khun Ronald Tay, the SPE Thailand Section Chairman, to proceed on the stage and to present the award. Please welcome. And Khun Anupong Shailan, SPE Thailand Secretary and ENP Award Chair. And first, ladies and gentlemen, we move to the first award, which is the HSE Honorable Award. And I would like to invite Associate Professor Dr. Falan to present the envelope. Ooh. With the name of the winning project. It's already here in this envelope. Thank you very much. Right here. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ The envelope is here. Whose name is inside this envelope? So we start with the HSE Honorable Award. Wow. Let's open it by shaking hand. by Khun Anupong. Shaking hand. And right here. The winner of the HSE Honorable Award goes to which project? Which project number? 6. What? We have only 5. Project number 6. 7. All right. Goes to project number 1. Advancing course and control through the integrated digital transformation framework we're in. Congratulations! Yay! We receive a trophy. Congratulations! Yay! Big smile. Congratulations. Yay. All right. So please, you can wait aside of the stage and we will take a big group photo together once again. เดี๋ยวเชิญรอด้านข้างก่อนนะคะ เดี๋ยวเราถ่ายภาพรวมด้วยกันอีกทีหนึ่งนะคะ ค่ะ เดี๋ยวเชิญรอด้านข้างก่อนเลยค่ะ And the winner of the ENP award goes to You want to say something, Mr. Ronald? No? You couldn't want to say something? No? No one would like to say anything. Because the best project award or the winner of the SPE Thailand ENP award goes to project number. Which number? Wow. What? 2, 3, 4, 5? Or maybe the winner goes to project number 1 again. So they grabbed 2 prize, 2 trophy for tonight. So congratulations! Wow. Project number 1 from PTTEP. Congratulations. I would like to say that they deserve it. And the award process, the selection process, as fair as possible that we can do. Okay, let's take another picture. So please give a big round of applause to PTTEP. Congratulations. They grabbed 2 awards. Wow. But the rest, project number 2, 3, 4, and 5. So please prepare at the side of the stage because thank you for your dedication. And we would like to give us a small token of appreciation to you guys all. So please, next project number 2. Project number 2, please join us on stage. We would like to give you a token of appreciation as well. Please proceed on the stage. Thank you. And also project number 3, number 4, and number 5. So please prepare. Where are you? Project number 2. ขอเชิญโปรเจกต์หมายเลข 2 ค่ะ ขึ้นเลยค่ะ Please proceed on the stage. Please, please. please, please, please. Thank you. Come on. one. Project number 2 from Chevron, right? Please join. Okay, let's take a picture. Thank you very much. But you're still the last 5 finalists. 2, 3. Thank you very much. Khun Ka, please give a big round of applause. Maybe it's just some points, the difference from the winner. It's not that much difference. And project 3 from Rola, please. Rola, please proceed on the stage. Project number 3, please proceed on the stage. Yay. Thank you very much. Thank you. And next project number 4, please. Please, let's take a big group photo together. Thank you. And grab some token of appreciation from us. Thank you. Congrats. All right, let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3. And project number 5, Nautilus. Please prepare. Okay. Thank you. And please wait. Please still here. We are going to take a big group photo together. So, and project number 5, please, from S2 Robotics. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us to this project. Let's take a picture. All right, and so next we're going to take a big group photo together. So please, everyone, come up on stage. We will take a big group photo together. And I would like to invite Khun Panit once again to join the stage. Please, please, please. Let's take a big group photo together. All right. Okay. Now we have got the winner. Congratulations. So as I told you, for those who haven't got on the top 5, so you have a chance in the next 2 years, not 2 days, 2 years. All right, so let's take a big group photo together. But there's still lucky draw remain. So please stay tuned. Oh, desserts is served. Okay, is that okay? So we have now towards the end of the night. Yay! Take a big group photo together. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ and congratulations to the winner. Thank you. There's still chance in the next 2 years, right? Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Okay, so now we have come to an end of tonight because now dessert is now served. On behalf of the SPE Thailand Board of Directors, would like to thank you, all of you, to being right here, being in our special night together at our SPE Thailand season opening and the award dinner. Tonight has proven that the key to growth and cooperation is sharing across discipline and sharing across comedies. Well, and so, ladies and gentlemen, right here, would like to thank our SPE Thailand monthly meeting sponsor again. A special thank to Chevron. Could you please give a big round of applause to Chevron? Yay! Thank you very much. Who provide us an extra support for this evening on 3 courses dinner. Thank you very much. And great thanks to the Landmark Hotel. We hope you enjoy their hospitalities, and thank you for the organizers, that is Bangkok Intelligent Group, or BIG. And special thanks to the students chapter from Chulalongkorn University, Suranari University, Prince of Songkhla University, and Chiang Mai University. They're our future industry representative. Thank you so much. And of course, tonight we would have been successful without the volunteers. That is our board and additional volunteer staff. There are a lot of stuff going on behind the scene, and we will spare you the details. But ladies and gentlemen, please give a last round of applause to our volunteers. Thank you so much. So let's move to our last program and the activities. That is a lucky draw. All right. So everyone, you already fill your name on the lucky draw ticket, right? So if you haven't, fill your name on the lucky draw ticket. And if you haven't write it on, haven't over it to our staff. So please do it right now because we're going to find out our lucky winner for tonight with 4 prizes. Is that anyone haven't passed your ticket to our staff yet? Is that anyone haven't passed a lucky draw ticket to our staff? Please raise your hand because we're going to waiting for you. Okay, that's only the front desk. Oh, everyone, you already write your name on the lucky draw ticket, right? And don't forget to over it to our staff, because if you keep it to yourself, we cannot draw it and find the lucky one. Okay, so it's time. I would like to invite the social activities chair on the stage. That is Khun Trilemma. Please welcome. Yay. He's going to find out who's going to be the lucky winner for tonight. Please. Don't forget to show yourself up. And the winner should still present here tonight. Okay, so for the first prize is a voucher, 1,000 baht. Who's gonna grab this? And goes to Miss Mantana, Thai Nippon Steel. อยู่ไหมคะคุณมัทนา from Thai Nippon Steel? Please proceed on the stage. Where are you? Show yourself up. Okay, congratulations. You grab a voucher, 1,000 baht. ยินดีด้วยค่ะ เดี๋ยวเชิญถ่ายรูปร่วมกันนะคะอ่ะ แป๊บนึงนะคะ ขอช่างภาพหน่อยค่ะช่างภาพขอเชิญนะคะอ่ะ Let's take a picture for a moment. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Congratulations. ขอบคุณค่ะ And our second prize is a voucher, 1,000 baht again. Goes Stew. Wait. Wait. Khun Chatit from Chevron. Wow, he's so lucky. He's still here. Good job. Oh, okay. Maybe you can over it to yourself. So lucky. Congratulations. ขอบคุณค่ะ. And next two is a voucher from the Landmark Hotel. Let's have a look. And first goes to Khun Napat from NES Raw. Are you here, Khun Napat from NES? NS. Khun Napat, are you here, Khun Napat Angkasing? Okay, wow. Congratulations! And this is a voucher from the Landmark Hotel. Now we move to the last prize for tonight. ขอบคุณค่ะ. Our last prize goes to wow. Come from the company have four have four syllables. Okay, that is the name start with T. The name start with T. Khun Tanyawat from Weatherford. Oh, you know yourself? Right. Congratulations! Yay! Congratulations to all winner once again. Thank you. And thank you คุณ ด้วยนะคะขอบคุณค่ะ. Thank you. So thank you everyone for being right here for your presence tonight. So is that any mistake? I do apologize, and we will serve a couple more drinks. If you need anything else, you can contact with the hotel staff. And right here, I'm Pavatharathon Pokin, is end of my duty now. I hope you enjoy the rest of the night and everything that we prepared for you tonight, and hope to meet you once again in the next 2 years. And today, thank you very much, and สวัสดีค่ะ.